Welcome to the Weekly Roundup Report from Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are coming to you from the Kennesaw location, so let's go see what's happening. Tim, tell us what's going on with this Explorer.
So the customer brought it in because of overheating. He said that the coolant was low in the overflow reservoir and he was having to add more to it the last couple of days, but had not seen an external leak. We did a coolant pressure test and actually found that coolant was leaking from behind the timing cover. So we used a borescope to get a camera in there. We saw that it was coming from the water pump itself. Upon checking the data in the all-scan report, we also found that there were 2 codes present for cylinder overhead temperature. And so we are now performing testing to inspect internally to do a block test and check for cylinder coolant intrusion to make sure that it doesn't potentially need a head gasket or, worst case scenario, an engine before we go ahead and just jump on the water pump and timing chain, which, if everything else is okay and pans out all right, that's ultimately what we will need to do. So we're keeping our fingers crossed and sending up a prayer for the customer that all he needs is the water pump and timing chain, but we are hoping for the best, but ruling out the worst case scenario just to be safe.
Absolutely, thank you. Thanks for joining us at the Kennesaw location today for the Weekly Roundup Report. See you next time.